Today's recipe is feta cheese pasta.
Welcome to my channel. I'm Helma and I'm going to share with you simple, tasty and incredible recipes that would impress your friends. I hope you come along with me in this journey.
Today I'm going to be making a recipe that is going viral on YouTube. It's called feta pasta. Our ingredient: 2 cups of any pasta. I'm using bow tie pasta. 2 pints of cherry tomatoes. 8 ounces of feta cheese. 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic with a little bit of parsley. 1/4 cup of chopped basil, 1/4 cup of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. We're going to add to our oven-proof dish the tomatoes, the garlic, the chopped basil, a little bit of the olive oil, and mix all together. We're going to leave some of the basil to finish the dish. Now we're going to open a little space and put in the middle of the dish the feta cheese. Put any leftover olive oil on top of the feta cheese if you have any, and fresh pepper. I did not add any salt because I think the feta cheese is a little salty, but you can do as you please. Our sauce is ready now, and I'm just going to start smashing the cheese and the tomatoes. Our pasta, it's already cooked. Our sauce is done. Add the pasta to the sauce. I also add a little bit of the water that we cooked the pasta, just to create a little bit of creamy sauce. Mix well, and now we just need to put the rest of the basil for decoration. To finalize, oregano. Now we just need to try it. It's very creamy. No wonder it went viral. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and comment. Your comments are very important to me. So keep the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.